the algorithmic cash flow inside YouTube AI's money-making machine. In the digital age, where billions are connected through screens, one platform reigns supreme: YouTube. But behind the scenes, a silent force drives its success: the YouTube AI. Join us as we uncover the intricate web of algorithms that fuel YouTube's money-making machine. YouTube is not just a platform for entertainment, it's a goldmine for content creators and advertisers alike. And at the heart of it all is the YouTube AI, constantly analyzing, learning, and optimizing to maximize profits. The recommendation algorithm is YouTube's secret sauce. By analyzing user behavior, it predicts what viewers want to watch next, keeping them glued to the screen for longer periods. But how does YouTube AI make money? It's simple: through ads. Every time you watch a video, ads are served, generating revenue for both YouTube and content creators. YouTube operates on a revenue-sharing model, where creators earn a percentage of the ad revenue generated from their videos. The more views and engagement a video receives, the more money it makes. YouTuber 1 on YouTube has completely changed my life. Thanks to the AI's recommendations, my channel grew exponentially, and now I'm making a living doing what I love. YouTuber 2, the key is to understand the algorithm and create content that resonates with your audience. It's like a game, and once you crack the code, the possibilities are endless. YouTube Executive, our AI-driven advertising platform, allows advertisers to target specific demographics with precision. This not only benefits advertisers by reaching their target audience, but also enhances the user experience by showing relevant ads. Beyond ads, YouTube offers additional monetization features like super chats, memberships, and merchandise shelf, providing creators with multiple revenue streams. The result? YouTube's revenue continues to soar, fueled by the relentless march of AI-driven optimization and innovation. In a world where content is king and data is currency, YouTube AI reigns supreme, shaping the future of entertainment and redefining the way we consume media. This program is a fictional representation of YouTube's operations and algorithms. Passive income secrets unveiled. Transform your life with financial freedom. Welcome to the ultimate guide to unlocking the secrets of passive income. Get ready to embark on a journey that will revolutionize your finances and transform your life forever. Hey there, future millionaires. I'm Digital Wealth Solutions, and today I'm going to unveil the untapped potential of passive income and show you how to build a life of abundance. Imagine waking up to breathtaking views in your dream home, sipping cocktails on white sandy beaches, and living life on your own terms. With passive income, these dreams can become your reality. Passive income isn't just a pipe dream, it's a proven strategy for creating wealth and freedom, but it requires dedication, determination, and a willingness to think outside the box. Let's dive into the secrets of passive income. Passive income expert 1. The key to passive income is diversification. Don't rely on a single income stream. Instead, build a portfolio of assets that generate money while you sleep. Passive income expert 2. Automation is your best friend when it comes to passive income. Leverage technology and systems to streamline your processes and maximize efficiency. Did you know that you can earn passive income through affiliate marketing, peer-to-peer lending, or even renting out your car? The possibilities are endless. You just need to seize them. Ready to take action. Start by setting clear goals, educating yourself, and taking calculated risks. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. Meet Adam, who retired in their 30s thanks to smart investments and rental properties, and George, who travels the world while earning passive income through online businesses. It's time to break free from the chains of financial insecurity and build the life of your dreams. With passive income as your ally, the sky's the limit. So go ahead, unleash your potential, and embrace the limitless opportunities that await. I'm Digital Wealth Solutions, signing off with a toast to your future prosperity. Here's to living life on your own terms and unlocking the secrets of passive income.
Have you ever thought about how passive income could boost your financial position? Just think of this. You're struggling through life, doing work and personal pursuits when suddenly inflation hits or job security feels shaky. That's where passive income swoops in as your financial superhero, offering a steady stream of cash flow even when you're not actively engaged somewhere. Passive income may help with a variety of financial goals, such as increasing savings, avoiding unemployment, or simply having a little additional cash flow. Plus, imagine the freedom of kicking back while your money works for you. Sounds pretty sweet, right? So, we are going to explore the 10 passive income ideas for beginners that will definitely assist you. 1. Create a course. One of the popular strategies for passive income is creating an audio or video course in the niche you are expert in, then kicking back while cash rolls in from the sales of your product. When you have made one such course, you can simply upload them on the renowned forums like Udemy, Skillshare or Coursera by setting a price for it, and then when somebody opts to purchase your course, your account will be credited by the respective forum on the already agreed terms. Alternatively, you might consider a freemium model, building up a following with free content and then charging for more detailed information or for those who want to know more. Let me give an example. Language teachers and stock picking advice may use this model. The free content acts as a demonstration of your expertise and may attract those looking to go to the next level. 2. Affiliate marketing. Using affiliate marketing, bloggers, social media influencers, or website owners promote a third party's product by including the product's link on their platform. Amazon is definitely a best-known affiliate partner, but there are some other renowned names too, such as eBay, ShareASale, and Awin. Along with them, other social media apps like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok have also become one of the best platforms to engage more audience and promote the products. Here's how it works. You embed affiliate links on your site, and when visitors click through and make a purchase, you earn a sweet commission based on some percentage. With significant traffic flowing to your site, those small percentages add up. And here's the real magic. If you're in a hot niche like software, finance, or fitness, the earning potential skyrockets. 3. Write an ebook. Are you considering writing an ebook? It's a fantastic chance that must be taken advantage of. Because of the low cost of publication and the global availability of platforms such as Amazon, your book must be viewed by millions of prospective purchasers worldwide. Plus, ebooks don't need to be long stories. Just 30 to 50 pages can do the trick. And they're cheap to publish. Also, especially when relying on your own knowledge, you need to be an expert in a niche topic, offering something unique that readers crave. And here's the trick. You can experiment with different titles and price points to find what works best for your audience. 4. Flip retail products. Taking advantage of online sales platforms such as eBay or Amazon and selling products that you find at cut-rate prices elsewhere can also be a potential passive income idea. You'll arbitrage the difference in your purchase and sale prices, and may be able to build a following of individuals who track your deals. You can leverage price variations between what's available to you and what most consumers can access. This strategy shines when you have connections for discounted goods others can't find, or when you uncover valuable items overlooked by others. This way, you can have a smart passive income. 5. Rent out a parking space. Looking for an easy way to make some extra cash? Renting out your parking space could be the answer. If you've got a spot you're not using, why not let someone else use it? And if you've got more space, even better. Think about it. During busy times like concerts or when parking is hard to find, your spot could be worth a lot. Imagine living near a place where people struggle to find parking. You can really compensate them. Renting out daily might be your best bet for making money. So what are you waiting for? Let's turn that empty space into some extra dough. 6. Selling photography online. Have you ever thought about turning your passion for photography into a real money-making venture? It might not seem like the obvious choice for passive income, but trust me, it's a goldmine waiting to be tapped into. You upload your photos to platforms like Getty Images, Shutterstock, or Alamy, and every download earns you cash. So, to earn a side hustle using photography, capture images that resonate with specific audiences or represent popular scenes. Whether it's stunning landscapes, captivating portraits, or shots of real-life events, there's a demand waiting to be met. Scale your efforts by selling the same photo multiple times. It's like making money in your sleep. 7. Start a dropshipping store. Have you ever thought of dropshipping as a means of generating passive income? Even if you start with little cash flow, it's an excellent idea that allows you to generate money from anywhere. Let me tell you the details. You launch an online store where clients can explore and buy goods. The best part is that you don't really handle the items. Everything is handled by your supplier, including production, packaging, and delivery. And what's great about it? After receiving payment from your clients, you solely pay your supplier. That implies that you have less financial risk. With dropshipping, the possibilities for passive income are endless.